This is a WFL M60 turning, boring, and milling center. It is fitted with the Siemens C-numeric 840C control. This is a 5-axis CNC Millturn machine. The main drive spindle is a 60 kilowatt or 80 horsepower motor with a maximum RPM of 3,000. It is coupled with a 400 millimeter SMW 3-jaw chuck. The weight capacity by itself is 800 kilograms or 1,760 pounds. This machine also comes with a 4-jaw. The steady rest is also an SMW auto block with a working range of 103 to 368 millimeters or 4 inches to 14.5. It supports up to 2,000 kilograms or 4,400 pounds in tandem with the chuck. Both the steady rest and the tailstock are fully programmable. The tailstock accepts a number 5 Morse taper and can support 2,500 kilograms or 5,500 pounds between centers. With the use of the steady rest, you can support 2,800 kilograms or 6,160 pounds. The tailstock comes equipped with both high and low pressure settings, which are fully programmable. The turning, boring, and milling unit is a 25 kilowatt or 35 horsepower drive with a maximum RPM of 4,000. It accepts the HSK A100 style tool holder. The milling unit is capable of rigid tapping and has through the spindle coolant along with flood. The Y-axis range is positive 175 millimeters above center line to negative 125 millimeters below center line. This equates to 6 7/8 above and 4 7/8 below. The B-axis has a huge negative 110 degree swing. It can also travel to positive 90 degrees. The C-axis is our last working axis, and the smallest programmable increment is 0.001 degrees. Now this is a 4,500 millimeter machine. So from the main drive spindle face to the milling unit spindle face at 90 degrees is approximately 177 inches.